Good day. This video is just to show you how to unbox and what is important when you receive your new purchase. So I have the portable tracker and then also the watch. We're going to start off with the watch. First thing to note is that you have a QR code at the back where you can find a link to download the app for your phone or tablet. Then you have your IMEI number you'll need when you want to add the watch or the tracker to the app. Okay, so you can remove the sleeve. Included is your manual. We also send you a digital manual that's a little bit bigger, and we have the tutorial videos to assist you with the setup. Okay, inside you have your watch. First thing you'll need to do is charge the watch for at least 12 hours. Okay, so if you open the box and the insert in the bottom, you will find your charge cable. The charge cable is magnetic and it will attach to the charging point at the back magnetically. And yeah, the other end is a USB. So the USB will just fit into a normal USB charge adapter. I do recommend the charge for 12 hours. It will just extend your battery life. If it's a new purchase and the battery is totally flat, it will take a while before it starts charging. The display will lit up and show you that it's charging. Okay. At the back of the watch, you'll also receive a QR code. It's the same than one on the sleeve. Okay. So the first step you'll do with setup is to open the little flap at the side. This is your SIM port. On the back rear lid, you'll see there's an indicator that shows you the direction or the orientation of the SIM card, but the SIM card will fit in with the copper connection points to the side of the screen. Okay, you can just use a little small screwdriver or a paper clip. When you press it in, it should make a clicking sound when it's in. To remove it, you can use a screwdriver again. You click it until you hear or you push it until you hear the click, and it will come out. Okay, so when the SIM card is inserted, you can press and hold the on button, and that will activate the watch. Now the battery is still low. Okay, our next video I will explain to you how to bind the watch to your app.